You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this delicious Mexican dish. Oh, that one is another word that many get wrong, but it's not from Mexico. How do you say that one then? In Spanish it is said as quesadillas, quesadillas. Therefore, in English it should be said as quesadillas, quesadillas. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.